Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So we're at Yokohama station and today we're going to a park, Yoyogi Park. It's officially Golden Week and Golden Week is pretty much like a week full of holidays. So we got May 1st to May 5th off and today we're going to the park. Alright, so we made it to Tokyo. We're at Harajuku and I need to get a blanket and I also need to get some food. So we're gonna walk to find Daiso and then food. The streets of Tokyo. Daiso is here. Alright, let's see. Looking for blanket. Water pollen. Look what I found. Emergency shelter. What do you think?
At 800.
So if rain comes down,
Yeah.
we're covered. Right here. Is it this?
Yeah. Looks like it. Oh yes, sit on there.
Nice.
Camping outdoors. 90 centimeter.
Wonder how big it is.
The one you're saying 60 centimeter.
All of them is 60 by 90.
This one is, oh yeah, same. What size is that one? Or maybe just put that.
It's a 1.8
1.8 inches?
meters.
Okay, so big. The one is big.
I guess maybe this is better because it's broader. And that's what we're looking for, broad space. Alright, so this is it. This is what we came here for.
Donald, oh my god, guys. They have Daisy and Donald. You can put it together.
Come along. Food time. It's drizzling, guys. And I can't believe it because we were supposed to do this thing on, was it Saturday? And it got postponed because of the rain. And now today the weather had said that it was gonna be sunny, so I'm not sure why it's raining now. Made it to the park, guys. So we just need to find a nice little spot. Down here looks much better. We're trying to find a nice little spot to set up our little area. Okay, so I think right here is gonna do for us. Yeah, even right here too. What is this? Space? Well, I can see you.
Picnic settings time. We are setting up. Sash is putting out her tarpaulin.
Okay, let me go.
That's, yeah.
Alright, so I'm gonna need something to put on it. Give me a bag. Give me a bag.
what's up? I'm Nacho, half amazing, half chocolate. Yeah, very nice to meet you. I'm from Nigeria. Let's have a good time today. Yeah.
I'm gonna eat a McDonald's. Very spicy.
I'm telling you. So
Express entry, express entry. Stacia is here. Hey, you're on video from a long time.
Hi.
Hello.
Okay, this is weird. Ready to be knock up.
I came before her.
Come on. Kampai. Kampai. Let's take a look at this. France lunch.
remember the money.
Yes.
Yeah, listen. Easy to. Oh my God! Land in Jerusalem, people. Jerusalem.
All right, now they're incorporating the Jamaican mix. Row the boat now. Ready? Row the boat. Yeah. I'm gonna stay here. Sing on the plane. 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 All right now. On the river. On the bank. On the river. On the bank. On the river. On the bank. Jerusalem.
Alright then.
You need to be around her. Where to be shy.
Yeah, come.
Should I come?
Yeah, come. Don't Christian.
Back up. You're back up.
Right, girl, let's go. Right, girl, let's
I can't compete with her.
Alright, anything you can do. Hey, alright.
I'm just giving them time. I'm giving them high. Nice, kill it.
Why come over here?
Honey, dance, come on, dance.
Hello, take your video off of me. How we for dance and all that. Look.
That's the people, girl. Go, Fran. 5, 4, 7, 2, 1. And hey, hey.
Shoki.
Hey. Joanna. Come on, Shireen.
Hold on. Oh, yeah, come on, back. Hi, my name is Abigail of May.
Really?
Hey. Okay, guys, so we're going home. Well, not home, we're going for food. We're going to get some food. But thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like,
comment, share, and subscribe.
Alright, bye guys.